Okay, this is my ramp system. Basically what you do, come up, you kick this down. This will raise up. Then you slide the boat on it. When you get the boat where you want it, which will be up here, you pull out these temporary pins. The boat's sitting on here. You have two options. Kick that the rest of the way there. It'll have wheels. Then you'll drive the cart around with the boat. The way it's designed is that these motors here will be elevated. So when it's disconnected here, which we'll show you. Get this up here. The pins are out now. Basically, it'll sit like this on the ground with the engines in the air. I may make some kind of linkage thing that allows me to adjust it. But realistically, what you'll do is you'll come over on this end. You'll pick the boat up and you'll drive it around on this trolley. In theory. So we'll see how this goes. But realistically, it looks like it's pretty good. I would like to set this trailer up to where the motors don't have to be disassembled, but I have plenty of room. So I have these bolts. The idea is this will get disconnected and be put on when you're ready to, when you get it on the rack and stuff. So that's the concept.